First thing you want to do is be able to play the chords. So you're going to look on the sheet and you're going to find the chords and you're going to be able to play them. So you're going to follow along and play them in beats or in the correct rhythm. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. The other thing you need to be able to do is play the melody. So you're going to learn that with your right hand, and it sounds like this. And the final step is to be able to put these together. The F chord, for example, on your left hand and the melody on the right. I'll play that for you. And then you're on your way to playing Yellow by Coldplay.